Pork fillets in onion sauce ready. And I'll show you how to make it in just 5 minutes. How does that look? Hi, I'm Pelayo. This is Saladolandia. And I'll help you sort out your meal in less than 5 minutes with some fillets accompanied by an onion sauce that's going to blow your mind. It's impossible not to grab some bread and start dipping. Obviously, you'll need to use onion. In this case, I use a large onion and chop it very finely. First into slices, then I chop it up. I do the same with a couple of garlic cloves, and here's where the magic happens. A generous drizzle of oil, and here I'm going to quickly brown the pork loin fillets over high heat. In this case, it's pork, but you can use another type of meat. It still turns out great. Once it starts to sear on one side, flip it over. So pay attention. This only takes about a minute on each side, maybe a little more. Once both sides are brown, take them out. This keeps the juices in, making the meat juicier. Once it's seared, what we'll do is make the magic sauce. Using the same oil with the juices that the meat may have released. We add both the garlic and the onion here, and we want them to get soft. So we lower the heat to medium or a little less, and we cook until it becomes translucent and soft. At that point, you add a little bit of salt and cook it again so it turns out perfect. The key is to have a little patience. Let the onion cook so it becomes very, very soft and even partly falls apart. After about a minute, we're going to give it the final flavor with paprika. It can be sweet, spicy, or a mix of both. Here, you have to be quick. As soon as you add it, stir for about 30-40 seconds and then add a cup and a half of broth. Meat broth is very tasty, and vegetable broth is good too. The key is to add it and mix it. Mix quickly so nothing sticks to the bottom, and wait for it to start boiling. At that moment, we add all the meat in. And once we have the meat inside, we stir a little so everything is well distributed, and we cook it. 10 minutes, the perfect time for the meat to be fully cooked and super juicy all at once. Look how easy it is to stir it with the lid of the pan. Then look at how it looks, oh my. You can add a bit of aroma with some rosemary, but that's optional. Look, 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 look. Look at the dish we prepared in no time. A complete, tasty, different dish that I'm sure if you try it once, you'll want to make it again. I love meat, I love juicy meat, and if it comes with some sauce, even better. I hope you'll also tell me what your favorite meat is. And while you think about it, you can watch this video right here that YouTube tells me you're going to love.